locked out of your Venmo account and feeling the panic set in? Don't worry, we're here to guide you through getting your account unfrozen and back in action. First, let's understand why Venmo might freeze your account. Common reasons include suspicious activity, like unusual transaction amounts or locations, security concerns triggered by multiple failed login attempts, or simply an unverified identity. Now, let's get this fixed. Open your Venmo app. You'll likely see a notification about the account limitation right on the home screen. Tap on this notification. This should explain the reason for the freeze and the steps you need to take. Typically, Venmo will ask you to verify your identity. Look for a prompt that says something like verify identity or resolve issue. Click on it. You will probably need to provide documentation. This usually involves uploading a clear photo of a governmental ID, like a driver's license or passport. Make sure the image is valid and all the information is readable. You might also be asked to verify your linked bank account or credit card. Follow the instructions provided, which could involve confirming small transaction amounts or uploading a bank statement. Once you've submitted all the required information, Venmo will review it. This process can take a few business days. If you haven't heard back after a reasonable amount of time, or if you're facing any issues, don't hesitate to contact Venmo support directly through their app or website. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to getting your Venmo account unfrozen and back to sending and receiving money with ease. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips on navigating the world of digital finance.